here again. As I'm saying, is what it is. It's your decision. I'm a supporter.
Guys, let me show you. I sell a page where me depend how much followers this are? 42,000. Nobody know me upset. Me just want to sell it. Me just tired of the whole situation. We have one for mother with people that drag me and the things them and I like them on TikTok a beg. So I want to sell it. I will still have my main page. It's not like me now go still have my main page. Me now sell my main page, but my main page me now go live pan it. But just me now go live pan it again. You understand?
Okay.
Me now do no more live panny. Me go sell it. Me already changed my number already. Me get tools. Me already changed my number. You see, it's supposed to come tomorrow, so nobody will have my number and will remove from the group. I remove from the group from now. Can you think I lie me I tell?
As me say, decision are yours. If you feel like you want to sell them, that's fine too. But I can't tell you say don't sell them. But all me say is you just have to say you're tired of the whole situation and people are drag you. You can keep your same page.
My page, me I sell them. Threaten me? How did she threaten me? She could never threaten me.
I'm so focused on that now.
Because she know that if she threatened me, she could get in serious problems. She not threatening me, I mean not threatening her.
But if I say I have your main page, I guess, let me say the decision right here.
So, I'm going to make a deep apologize to the kids them. On my main page, the backup page, I'm going to sell them. And after I sell them, I move from the media. Okay? I won't come back live. I won't. Even the profile me do me now come live. Me not coming back. Me lost my private, my IG already. My private.
So you're taking a break from the media as well, my
You listen what with understanding. I mean, I take no break from the media, girl. You don't understand? I said that my main page will there. I will post on my main page, but I'm not coming back live. And if nobody now buy the page, me I go make you get banned for spite because I go post one video I'm not supposed to post. They can stay here. I'm not begging these people nothing. These people is not taking care of me. It's the government of Switzerland is giving me my money every month. Here the police page him that. Police page me. Police can't stop me from go live. What are you talking about? What about police? Me do no blood clot killing the police take me up on social media. Some people don't see. Me work a murder nobody the police take me up on social media. Me need to leave. I time for me to go get a job and find a man for myself because I have too much man. So I need to go. So if anybody interested in the page, sure. Yeah, tell me say me full of drama in my blood clot game of chat people business. I gotta expose the blood clot before I leave.
Yes.
Come now guys, anybody want the page? 400 me I sell it 40,000 for 350. 350 for 42,000. That expensive, that not expensive. How much if you sell it for? $200?
That page, yeah?
Yeah.
How much you sell it on now? How much followers up on the page, yeah?
42,000 and active. Me now sell it for not $200. You know why? People sell them page where you can go live panny. For $400. I say Ivan sell one page where they have for $500 and you can't go live panny, you get banned. So why am I going to sell this one you can't go live panny?
Somebody said I have 375.
You have 375? Text me on my DM now. Send me a message on my DM. I can't come off of it. And get right now. You can't talk about phone too much. You're broke. You have no wheelchair in her. You can't walk even walk in your life if you have no money. You not even have that in your blood clot name. How much time you see I beg credit on TikTok? You can't talk about phone too much like you have dollar. You have dollar? You can't have blood clot work for work. Hey, look at a tatty. Now make me have nothing in a tatty. But she like say she have money. She have money. You text me? Text me now. Ask her she message me. Me not use no page. If you message me, can come off of the page. No.
Oh, she said KK, so I guess she got a message. The girl named the Barb, so she have $400.
Anybody will text me first or have anything first to come. Let me log in on that page. You see if she message me.
Phoenix, I don't think she said she had $200, so she not taking $200.
The 22 was the one for $200. Yeah, see the one I did.
I have several bills. I have money with her.
If you have 150, me still sell it for you. I want to go on. You text me, or let me look now.
She's selling her page, Ali.
Me I sell them. Send me a number, Barbs. The Barbs, send me a number.
I think she has saved her main page, you girl.